In today's video, we are going to be using the new bulldozer power in Ink games to see if it's actually worth it to get it. I've seen many good things about this power. Okay, we are in red light, green light. Now, I don't know if this power is good for this. We are here with Jax, also, he's just here with us. And we're gonna hopefully try to get through. Yeah. Let's just, this is my first time doing a voiceover video, other than a YouTube short. But, let's get right on into this.
Red light. Green light.
Not dead yet.
Red light.
I'm gonna get a screenshot for the thumbnail. We need a thumbnail for this one. Okay, boom, I got it. Okay, I got the thumbnail. Ooh, okay, this is gonna be fire thumbnail.
Green light.
Oh my lag. What the freak? We are testing if this power is good for the normal game. We're just seeing how far I can get with this power. I normally use the baseball ability, because baseball is so good. But, yeah, and parkour artist is also really good. Ooh, Jack's coming in to the bandage. Thank you, bro. My lag is just making this way worse. Come on. Yeah, I totally did not just skip to the end. I totally did not just skip to the end. Power of editing. We have made it. Now, yes, okay. We are now
one more game. No more, no less.
Oh my freaking. Sorry guys, I'm kind of holding the mic a little weird. But yeah. Oh crap. Oh my freaking lag. Damn, just work. Let's be real. I don't think this power is really that good. Let's actually try it. Oh yeah, this power's but it just ragdolls you at the end. This power's so bad. I would actually use this power more, other than just in this video, if they buffed it. Okay, I got triangle. We're cooking. Triangle is the easiest, especially because I have lighter. Let's go. Oh yeah, if the devs of Ink Game are watching this, please hook me up with stuff, because your game is awesome. But yeah, I kind of want to be a. Can I get the content creator title if you're watching this? Bottle is always the best. Bottle is the best. If the owner of Ink Games is watching right now, please give me the content creator title. I would love that. And the doctor class, please. The doctor power, please. I literally play this game every day. The only reason why this is my first video on it is because it's hard to make an Ink Games video. But I'm actually gonna start trying to really hard. So the next week I'm gonna be uploading Ink Game videos after Ink Game videos. Literally gonna be uploading in-game video after in-game video. Sorry, it kind of cut out there, but if the... Oh, I need to hit this guy. Okay. Come on. Oh, freak. Stop dodging, please. Oh, frick. Oh, frick. I might be cooked here. I might be cooked. If, like I said, if the game's dev is watching this video, please give me either like Doctor, Time Stop, or Quicksilver, or even Pop. But I really love the content creation title. Please, I love the game. I play it every day, all day too. I like to play it hours a day. But it's hard to make an in-game video, right? Because you have to like win and stuff. I only have 3 wins because I'm bad at this game. But if you're watching this in games, please give me the mythic powers, some power rolls, and the content creator title. Please. Or just the content creator title. No lie, I would love that. But let's try to survive this game. Oh yeah, buff bulldozer. If the in-game admin is watching this, buff bulldozer, please. Crap, my phone's gonna die. I'm gonna plug it in, no lie. But, come on. Just gotta dodge for the last few seconds. Just gotta dodge. Bro, like, these people are so annoying. In-games, please listen if you're watching this, because I would love that. Oh my god, I'm dead. Alright, this power needs buffed, if I'm being. But in-games, please do the things I said, please, and see you in the next one.